In the ever-shifting world of software development, a commonly overlooked truth is becoming increasingly clear. Code is inherently disposable. As Attila Vago argues in his essay, Abandonware is the New Software, the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and modern programming trends didn't create this reality. They merely amplified a truth that has always existed. The ephemeral nature of code, an old truth. From the very beginning, software has been destined to live shorter, faster paced lives than hardware. A physical device may last for years, yet during that time, it will receive countless software updates. Even core components like the operating system kernel are in constant flux, rendering much of the original code obsolete. The idea of future proof code is often misunderstood. Truly sustainable code isn't code that never needs to change. It's code that can be changed easily. Business requirements, product strategies, and technology stacks are in constant motion, demanding continuous adaptation. For instance, a COBOL routine on a mainframe might remain stable for decades, but a React component powering an A/B test is almost certain to be discarded within weeks. Modern methodologies like Agile, the minimum viable product, MVP mindset, and A/B testing have trained engineers to think in terms of good enough for now. Rather than building intricate, everlasting architectures, they focus on immediate product needs. This demonstrates that product delivery always takes priority over rigid adherence to programming dogma. AI, the catalyst for disposable code. The advent of generative AI and conversational programming has pushed this trend to an entirely new level. AI not only generates code, but also makes replacing and improving it nearly instantaneous. AI-driven tools such as CodeRabbit can propose refactors or optimizations with a single click. Likewise, automation frameworks like Playwright's test generators allow engineers to produce volumes of code without manually writing it. When creation and modification are this effortless, developers naturally form less emotional attachment to their lines of code. This makes code more replaceable than ever. A feature that once took a developer days to craft may now be re-implemented through a few AI prompts in less than a week. A new mindset for engineers. Accept and adapt. This reality demands a shift in how software engineers think about their work. Instead of taking pride in tens of thousands of lines written, they must learn to accept that much of their work will have a short lifespan. The real attachment should shift from code to product. The only timeless principle that retains its full weight in the AI era, according to Vago, is KISS, keep it simple, stupid. Simplicity ensures that code is easy to create, easy to read, and, most importantly, easy to replace when the time comes. Today, many engineers' GitHub profiles resemble museums of forgotten projects, old websites, completed A/B experiments, and apps built on obsolete technologies. All of them stand as proof that code has always been temporary. Conclusion: AI didn't invent the age of abandonware. It simply exposed a long-standing truth. Code is always disposable. Recognizing this frees engineers from the pressure of writing perfect or eternal code. Instead, it reinforces the more important truth. Software development has never really been about writing code. It has always been about building products.